talking about the weather in the Philippines, and it's really hot. Right now, many parts of the country are experiencing extreme heat because of El Nino, a weather phenomenon that makes temperature even hotter than usual during March, April, and May. The heat index, which tells us how hot it feels when humidity is added to the temperature, has reached dangerous levels in many cities. For example, in Apari, the heat index reached 48 degrees Celsius, which is very high. In Manila, it was 45 degrees Celsius, causing school to switch to online classes. This kind of heat can make people feel tired or even sick. To stay safe, drink lots of water, stay indoors as much as possible, use umbrellas or hats if you go outside. Let's all try to stay cool and take care of ourselves during this hot weather. Thank you!